Well, good morning from Bobby's Hobbies, and today we're going to try to run this old Rivarossi E8, E8/E9. See if she wants to go. I don't know. Oh, she's rumbling. Well, it started her off backwards. Lights on. Let's change the direction. She's pulling a lot of power. High volts, a lot of amps. Hey, but she's going. I haven't lubed her, but it seems like she wants to go. Probably needs a helper though, to get around some of this. Oh, she needs a helper. Alright, I think we're going to have to send the Conrail out. She wants to go, but sometimes you all need a helping hand. A little help from a friend. Let's see, what would be a good engine to help her? What about this Conrail here? This looks like a good helper. Let's try it. I don't know, I used to be better at putting these things on the track in one shot. Now not so much. Wow. That train has a sound system in it and I didn't even know it. Now that's kind of confusing. Hope I didn't burn something out. Wow. We're gonna have to see what's inside here, because that's confusing the hell out of me. Well, that's gonna be an episode in itself. I didn't know this one had sound. Wow. Alright, well, let me put her back where she was. And we'll have to get another helper for the... But that was interesting. The sound worked and she didn't want to go anywhere. Alright, let me shut the power off. Why don't we send another E8 to go save the E8? Now this is a monster. This is a lifelike E8. Now this should work pretty well. She got a sound system and I never knew it. What happens when you buy boxes of stuff at a train show? Oh yeah. Now we don't want it to crash. Oh, it's a dead zone there for both of them. There must be too much moisture in the air down here. We gotta get a dehumidifier. Bad spot of track. Look at that. They're both running. The ancient E8 by Rivarossi and the probably 15-year-old by Lifelike. Yeah, I gotta clean this track much more seriously. Gonna have to run the track cleaning car. I guess the E8 up front, the Pennsylvania Rivarossi E8, is eating up a lot of power and juice, not leaving enough for the Bachmann. Oh, I'm sorry, Lifelike. It's a Lifelike E8, which now caught up to it and is pushing it. They're going way behind the mountain there, out of range of sight. I can hear them rumbling, bumbling. Well, they're trying to go. They're not quitting. Gonna have to do a much better job of cleanup. They're coming through the tunnel. Apparently the Lifelike has superior pickup. But the Rivarossi, you know, for being old as it is. Oh. Nope. I have to do a much better job on track cleaning. I thought the tracks were clean, but apparently something down here is getting them. Let me take this one off. Smells okay. Well, you know what? I'm not going to be able to reach it. I use the old ruler trick. She's not really happy either. I have to put a even more reliable runner on. What can we put on there that we know is going to do the job? Oh, put on this big monster. Yep, I'm gonna have to put on the big monster. This is the Kato. Maybe this can go rescue her. See now, the superior train that has superior pickup or just cleaner and or has all well lubed and whatnot, these tracks seem to be fine. But I have to do a combination of really cleaning the rails so that there's no question that they're clean, and really doing some maintenance on the trains. So now we're sending this big SD 80 which she's running beautifully. Try to rescue this E8, which is out of my hand reach. Do a little low creep. Wow. All right, we're gonna have to come back later. Gotta do a lot more maintenance. Thanks for watching.